Add about 1 cup of sugar in a mixing bowl. About 1 cup of milk. Mix it well. Once the sugar dissolves, add 1 cup of rice flour into it. Remove all the lumps and make sure there are no lumps in it. Add about half cup of water. Once the batter is formed and has become quite runny, keep this aside. Heat about 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. This is pure ghee, 100% pure ghee. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons. Just going to pour in the batter completely and cook it in very slow flame. Keep stirring it continuously. I'm just going to reduce the flame, otherwise it might stick to the pan. Just reduce it and keep stirring it continuously. Because of the ghee, it will not stick to the pan, but still keep stirring it would be good idea. You can add some cardamom powder at this stage. Sprinkle some cardamom powder. That's it. A pinch of cardamom powder just for that aroma. You can see the dough has started to leave the sides. Now let us go ahead and switch off the flame and allow the mixture to cool a bit. Just going to take a small section from the side and start making laddus. The beautiful laddu. I'm going to take this and dip it in freshly grated coconut. Just coat it over. Since it is a Kerala dish, just coat it over. And we have delicious rice laddu ready to be served. There you go, delicious rice laddu is now ready to be served. Please do try it out. It is a very quick recipe and yet delicious. Well friends, thank you so much for watching. VeenasKitchen.com. Have a wonderful day. Bye.